I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care of your nails updated. Start by washing hands and trimming nails straight across, then round edges softly. I will walk you through the right tools, a simple routine, and how to treat weak or brittle nails. Follow these gentle steps to keep nails healthy, avoid infections, and improve appearance without harsh chemicals. Stick with small changes for consistent results that feel doable every day. Use a fine grit file and file nails in one direction to avoid splitting. Shape nails to match your natural curve and avoid aggressive angles that cause breakage. Keep sessions short and consistent, focusing on gentle strokes and small adjustments. Maintain a relaxed hand position and take breaks if nails feel fragile. This approach preserves length and strength and helps polish last longer when you apply it. Hydration matters. Use cuticle oil or cream every day to keep skin flexible and nails resilient. Protect hands with gloves during dishes, cleaning, or gardening to reduce water and chemical damage. A balanced diet with protein, iron, and vitamins supports steady nail growth and reduces splitting. If nails remain brittle, consider a gentle supplement after consulting a professional. Small, consistent habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.